Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock a locked Snapchat account and recover it. So if your Snapchat account is locked, you can follow the steps to unlock and recover your account quickly. So there are several reasons of why your Snapchat account is locked. Because the first one, it might be because suspicious activity, so you log in from unknown devices or locations, or maybe you use third-party apps like Scottman or Snapchat Plus Plus, or maybe you are sending too many friend requests or messages in a short time. You're violating Snapchat's community guidelines, or your account was hacked or compromised. So to unlock your locked Snapchat account, you can check if it's a temporary lock. You can open Snapchat and try logging in. If you see your account has been temporarily locked message, you can wait 24 hours before trying to log in again. But if it's still locked after 24 hours, you can follow the next step that I'm going to tell you. So you can unlock through Snapchat website. You can go to the official. You can go find your browser and search for Snapchat unlock page. This one. Here you can see why your Snapchat account is locked, and in here you can search for the answer, and after that you can log in with your username and password and click unlock my account and follow the on-screen instruction. If you successfully unlock it, you can avoid using third-party apps or suspicious activity again. And if you want to recover a permanently locked Snapchat account, maybe it's harder to recover, but you can try by contacting the Snapchat support. You can go to the Snapchat support in here by going to the Snapchat support, and in here you can just contact them through this, and after that you can just choose the I can access my account options, this one, and then choose to this one, my account is compromised, and in here you can just tap on contact support here, and you can just submit a request. So you can fill in the details and submit the request, but you need to be patient because Snapchat may take a few days to respond. And if you want to recover a deleted Snapchat account, you can open Snapchat and enter username and password, and then click yes to reactivate. You can wait for a confirmation message, and after 30 days your account is permanently deleted and recovery is impossible. So you need to recover it before 30 days. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.